Welcome back to episode 3 of the Road Trip series. Currently, we are cruising along on I-5 from Portland to the Bay Area of California. I'm going to try to accomplish this in one day. I got kind of a late start, but met up with an E34 homie along the way. Shout out to Lawrence. He's road tripping from Dallas to Seattle, and I'm going Chicago to the West Coast, but currently, Portland to LA. And he was in LA for the week, so our paths just happened to cross. So we stopped by, we met up, and it was really cool. Got to chat. It's really funny seeing two loaded E34s. Both of our trunks are packed. It's hilarious, but always a pleasure to meet some E34 homies. I beat the hell out of this car those last couple days I was in the Portland area, and it held up to it perfectly. Aside from an unfortunate, very unfortunate actually, I'm actually pretty distraught about it, but I'm trying to keep a clear head. I messed up both my front fenders, with my wheels turned, hitting bumps, driveways, roads, on the curvy roads. So I'll show you guys when I stop. I buckled both my front fenders kind of bad, not horrible. I'm not gonna touch them any further until I get to LA and I'm at Alan's house and I have a heat gun and a rubber mallet. Those are the two things I didn't bring, so they need to be kind of worked. As much as that sucks, and I think soft spring rates are to blame for that, and obviously a big tire. But anyway, as much as that sucks, I've been talking to people about this, and I'd rather my car have battle scars from endless memories and enjoyment than a car that I built to sit in the garage and stay mint condition, which is honestly how a lot of my cars are. I make them nice, they're nice, and I don't like to kind of enjoy them because I'm scared. Well, this car was mint, and I almost fell victim to that, but I said, nope, I am doing this trip. And here I am, and it's getting battle scars, rot chips, fender issues, so be it. But the memories are here to last a lifetime, so I can't even be mad. So it is what it is. Look how insane the fire. So if you guys don't know, right now, currently at the Oregon-California border, there's a gnarly wildfire. Look at how smoky the mountains are coming into California. You can smell the fires. I stopped out because there's a nice viewpoint here. It literally just smells like a bonfire. It's insane. But as I mentioned earlier, there is the tragic fender damage. So you can see both sides there. Not horrible, I mean, from 10 feet, you don't really see it, but still sucks. It's probably windy here, so I'm not gonna film much here, but yeah, craziness. So some time passed. I went further than I thought I was gonna go yesterday, all the way to the Bay Area, and I stopped at my buddy Damon's shop. Today, we are going to cruise to, I gotta go to San Jose, pick up camber plates for my E34, which is cool, and I'll get into that when I get them. And then basically PCH all the way to LA, so it's gonna be a fun drive. I wanted to see San Fran and stuff, but he told me with the traffic, it's gonna make my day miserable, so we're gonna skip San Fran for now. Maybe I'll come back up, who knows. But should be a good time. I'm fairly well rested, not really. There's probably like a 40% chance my E34 is left on bricks and my wheels are gone. So let's hope that that's not the case. Just look at this is insane, man. I want to film, but I also want to live in the moment. PCH highway. This is the drive of a lifetime. This is what I've been waiting for this whole trip. What is this guy doing?
Bro, we hammered Josh Miller's car, bro. This is crazy. Look at this shit right here, bro.
Shout out to Alan. We made it here last night. So we got both the E34s in the garage. You know what I'm saying? So this is Alan's bagged 525i.
The F80 right here. It's a real
F80. Man, drives it like an F80. 1-to-1 color. You ain't gonna find an E34 in this color.
Never.
Blue bucket, blue dash, which I absolutely need. Everyone should tell him to give me that dash. But we'll see more of this car. But right now, we're trying to fix these fenders that I absolutely destroyed.
It's working.
Is it working?
It's working. A little better now.
Oh, that's already looks good. He knows the method, man. That's why I waited to get here. Because that side I tried to fix myself, and it didn't go good. So this side is a little bit worse. So we'll see what we can do here. I already kind of messed this up trying to fix it without the proper tools. But, you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to try to get this right before we host a meet tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm still dragging that barrel that I got sent. So that's really annoying. But otherwise, the car made it here. No issues at all. PCH was fun, but a lot of traffic. Everything's going pretty good. So we got it flat. But now, so when it pulls it down, it kind of kinks it so you can see the light hits it, and it still kind of looks like it's not flat. But that's just, it's kind of a dip right here. So the body line is actually fully flat now. But we got it pretty good. Alan, I think he knows what he's doing, man. I'm happy with this. This will get me home at least. So now I got to attempt this side. Mohammed pulled up. More E34s.
Yo.
So, oh, the lighting's bad. There's his white. That's a 95, right?
Yep.
525?
Yes, sir. All the bugs?
All the bugs going. Dude, that wireless wash works crazy. How does like a actual wash mitt and soap does not even take off bugs like that?
It's good stuff.
Like hit that real quick. Dude.
It's real good stuff.
What? Dude, that's insane. I literally had to scrub that with a scrubber to get those off. That's wild.
It's fire.
What is this?
McGuire's.
Plug-in McGuire's wireless wash. I never do wireless wash.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Nope.
But it's just
no
good
sir.
Stuff.
It looks wrong, but it's right. Yeah, it's going. Paint's not getting any worse, which is good.
It's good.
Thank God. Introduce yourself, bro. Introduce you guys.
We are at the Reeves Villa. I'm your boy Reeves. This is your boy Alan, your boy Buns, and your boy behind me.
You guys know these two. Just met these guys.
Oh.
So we're at the compound here. Look at this view, bro.
It's the villa, bro. We have the villa.
This is literally the craziest view ever. And it's just full of BMWs.
fattest crib.
Alright, so what are we about to do?
Okay,
Run me through it. Show us the car.
Yeah, let's go. We got the smoke machine over here hanging out. This is my F50 turbo, base shave, 5-lug swap, everything E30. And smoking like a damn chimney over here. But we're gonna go out and try and have a good time, see what happens, and hopefully it doesn't blow up.
So 2 cylinders, 60 PSI compression?
2 cylinders, 1 and 3. I don't know if there are more. The rest of them range from like 150 to 120.
Yeah.
They were at like 200 a while ago.
Okay, so 2 cylinders are dead. You can probably hear it. Blow by is insane. It actually doesn't sound that bad when you rev it. Obviously that noise is the loud injectors. It's not like...
Yeah, they're 800cc injectors.
Yeah, it's not rod knock or anything.
Whole gang of shit happening though. It's a good time. I hope I never get rod knocked.
So we're about to go drive this thing, which should be pretty fun. So the goal is to maybe blow it up, but not blow it up, you know? Well, you guys know what this means, huh? We got a convoy on the side of the road here. We didn't even make it to get some pulls. She just died, pushed it here.
I'm gonna say the F word.
And now it won't start, so we're gonna try to jump it because its battery's weak. And see.
I use this sometimes.
Yeah, I use these.
I hate these.
Yeah. Alright, so now we got some jump. E34 support vehicle, always, bro. Always these E30s, bro, giving us trouble. I've never pushed my turbo car home before. It's always made it home for me. Because it's an E34.
I can't say the same.
Look at this paint in the sun, bro. I hope this camera does it justice. This paint job is sick. Look at both these guys got crazy colored ass cars, man. I want a flaked car. Since when did you have this?
Forever.
What brand is that?
Dude, eBay.
Oh, eBay.
Yeah, it's eBay.
Look at this guy, admitting to eBay. World's fastest M50
Yes.
E34. We're gonna do some pulls after this.
Yes.
We have to, bro. I have to see what an S52 car does to an M50 car because I hate to say it, but I'm not feeling like the wow factor. So I'm hoping that I walk this so that I can feel better about it.
I think you should walk
You
it.
can walk it right here.
I think you should walk it.
We might just walk it right here.
Down there.
Dude, we definitely don't need prep, bro. 190 and 240 horsepower.
For real. I already got the sticky job.
If we had prep, we'd probably break our axles.
I've done that before.
Yeah. What? It's still not going?
Nah.
All right, it's back on. So before it blows up, let's
go.
let's get a couple pulls.
Let me hop in.
Someone hop it in the back. Hop it in the bag.
Come in right here. Are you coming in or no? Yeah, come to that side because Mo's gonna come in too.
Oh God.
Just pull your seat forward. That's all.
4 people in here too. This is some.
No power steering.
Oh, no power steering either.
No sir.
All right, well, see what she does. So you're just turning around and doing a pull there?
Yeah.
All right. Is this where it's prepped?
Yep.
Oh my God, that's ridiculous. That's so funny.
Just don't.
All right. Woo! Yo, this feels good though. How much boost is that?
20 PSI.
Dude. Holy. Yo, turbo E30s are scary, bro. No, this thing feels wild, bro. Keep it on. Yeah. Damn, right in someone's driveway too. And it's dead again?
Yeah. This is the
That's
it!
Hey, well, we got the pulls in.
That's it!
So I appreciate that. That was sick.
That's fun.
Cool. All right, well, I got to show you guys at least Reed's car doing some pulls, and now we're gonna have to push it again. Sick. Hey, that was badass though. All right, well, we are leaving the Reeb Spec compound. That was a great time. So the E30 got picked up by AAA and made it home. So that is the finale to that. So shout out to him for getting me some clips because that was cool. It took me for a spin despite knowing that car had issues, and finally put the final nail in the coffin. But it was a badass time, so shout out to him for that. So absolutely beautiful out here. The weather's crazy. We've just been hanging out all day. So E34 convoy heading out. Now we gotta go pick up some more homies from the airport for the meet tomorrow. And then I'll probably start a fresh video tomorrow, which will be my second day in the LA area, and I'm hosting a car meet. Me and Alan put together a little collaborative meet. So I didn't really mention this for the YouTube channel, so I'm sorry. When you're watching this, it'll be too late. But if you follow me on Instagram and him on Instagram, you'll know that we've been planning this for a little bit. So tomorrow we have homies coming from all over the state, all over the country. I mean, Mo came here from Utah, so that's crazy. I know we got a guy coming in from Nevada, like Reno area. Really cool to love. So I can't wait to see how many people show up tomorrow. I'll probably bust out the camera and fight my fear of filming in front of people, just so I can show off people's cars and kind of how we do it. So this is pretty much day one. It's probably getting here, and day one I'll probably put in one video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna say it again, this road trip has been the time of my life. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.